Welcome to my new blog post 37. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss OPAs with respect to executing, monitoring, and controlling, and closing processes. So let's start. With respect to executing, monitoring, and controlling, we have OPAs that are defined for change control procedures, which actually includes the steps by which performing organization standards, policies, plans, and procedures or any project document will be modified, and how any changes will be approved and validated. Then comes the traceability matrices. After that, we have financial control procedures. For example, time reporting, required expenditure and disbursement reviews, accounting codes, and standard contract provisions. Then we have issues and defect management procedures. For example, defining issues and defect controls, identifying and resolving issues and defects, and tracking action items. Then we have resource availability, control and assignment management. Then we have organizational communication requirements. For example, specific communication technology available, authorized communication media, record retention policies, video conferencing, collaborative tools, and security requirements. Then we have procedures for prioritizing, approving, and issuing work authorizations. Then comes the templates. It includes risk registers, issue log, and change log, or much more. Then there are standardized guidelines, which include work instructions, proposal evaluation criteria, and performance measurement criteria. Then in the end, we have product or service or result verification and validation procedures. Now, with respect to closing, project closure guidelines or requirements for example, final project audits, project evaluation, deliverable acceptance, contract closure, resource reassignment, and knowledge transfer to the production or operations. So let's come towards our star question. A project manager needs to check what is the progress of the project, which OPA should he use, traceability matrix or financial control or change control procedures or project management plan. So answer actually lies in this video. So don't forget to answer the question in the comment section of this video.